Waarom eigest du mich?
Wenn du immer so viel Müll wegwerfst, versinken wir darin. There's a lot of pollution here, and we like see it every day. Like we go to school, we see garbage all around, and it's not a very nice scene to look at every day. And we wanted to like show how world can look like if there's a lot less pollution here. So I have a friend from out of country, and she uses like recyclable things, and she doesn't just like throw it around. Like they have special containers for everything, like paper, plastics, glass, metal, and everything. So she sorts out everything she litters. Well, not litters, everything she has to throw away. And we can do that too. Like, if we had more containers specialized for like paper, plastic, metal, and everything, and if people like knew that it wasn't okay and that like nature suffers from all that litter, like this can be a very clean place.